All right, so I'd like to welcome you to our bike riding series. My name is Amy Sturkey. I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Famous John. Famous John is 15 years old. He has Down syndrome, and he is willing to help us with our bike riding series, so thank you so much. So one of the first things you need to make sure you can do is really important that you know how to operate your bike, and that you can do it without having to worry about pedaling or worrying about pedaling or balancing. So the first thing you want to do is that you can go through obstacles without being on the bike and pushing the bike and making it through the obstacles. So the first obstacle we're going to go through is just a 3-foot wide path. We're going to go right down it, and I'm going to see if he can push it without stopping, unless I tell him, and stay inside the line between the pink line and the edge of the curb. So that is 3 feet wide. Let's see if he can do it. Let's take it down there, John. So if you're going to push it, and when I blow my whistle, you're going to use the brakes to stop. Can you do that?
Easy peasy.
Brakes to stop? You got it? Okay. Stay inside right here.
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. You don't have to go fast. Come on, stay right inside this 3-foot wide path. Can you do it? Your bike is doing perfect. I love it inside the 3-foot wide path. This is easy for you. I need to give you a challenge. Look at this. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Way to go. Try it again. I'm gonna try to fool you.
No.
That's so easy. All right, John has passed the first challenge. All right, Famous John, you ready for the level up challenge? Come on, let's do this!
Yeah!
All right, so now what your challenge is, we have a figure 8 that you have to go inside.
Easy peasy.
And it's only a foot, that was 3 feet wide. This is curved and 1.5 feet wide, John. I don't know, you ready? Same thing though, if I blow the whistle, you gotta use the brakes to stop it.
Easy peasy.
Let's see then, bring it. Keep the bike inside, that's right. I see you. Uh-huh, I'm liking it, man. Oh yeah, I see how you got the front wheels in, come on. Oh, you fixed it. All right, come this way, this is where it's supposed to try to fool you. Come on over here. What? What? I'm not fooling you, come on.
You're not fooling me.
I'm trying.
No, you're not.
I am too trying.
No, you're not.
I see how you're fixing it. Way to go, man. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Way to go.
I went outside.
There you go. You fixed it though, just on the money. I like how you're paying attention to everything, John. All right. This is where it's fooling you. Can you make it? What? All right. So this is the first skill that you want to make sure you have. That you have control of the bike. That when you're not riding it, you can control the bike.
That's right.
I hope this is a great idea for you to start working on your bike riding skills, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot.
Peace to it out.
Bye!
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.